Suwannee River State Park is a wonderland of nature and history. As the name indicates, it's a great place to see and enjoy Florida's famed Suwannee River. While most people arrive by land, some come by water. The park is one of the stops on the famed Suwannee River Wilderness Trail, a 171-mile paddling trail that passes right by. The park is also a great place for hikers and walkers. It covers 1,800 acres surrounding the confluence of the Suwannee and Withlacoochee Rivers in Suwannee, Madison, and Hamilton counties. 6 trails offer a combined distance of more than 18 miles to explore. They range in length from 1/4 of a mile to 12.5 miles. There are rocks, rivers, and springs, Civil War earthworks, and an old stagecoach road. They're just waiting to be explored. You will even find 2 ghost towns. Columbus, incorporated in 1844, was an important shipping port and railroad stop. It held political power in the years before the Civil War. But all that remains today are a cemetery and pieces of machinery. Ellavilla, across the river from the main park area, was a sawmill town that boomed in the late 19th century under the guidance of Florida's 12th governor, George Franklin Drew. His mansion, where he lived quite a bit better than his workers, once stood nearby, but burned in 1970. Suwannee River State Park offers picnic areas, playgrounds, campgrounds, and cabins. Learn more on our website at twoeggtv.com. At Suwannee River State Park near Live Oak, Florida, I'm Rachel Cox for 2 Egg TV.